just saw the homeless dishwasher, guys. I swear it was him. Oh shit, let's just drive through here. Let's just drive through here. If I can keep it down, this guy right here. What the hell? What the hell is this dude doing, man? What the hell is this dude doing?
It is, you always gotta remain humble. A lot of people don't understand that shit, you know. I've been poor all my life, you heard me?
What the homeless dishwasher doing over there?
But you know, I don't let it stop me, because I just know one day I'm gonna make a way, you know what I mean? I'm the only one out here on my feet, you heard me?
What? This fool here is something else. What is he doing?
I had 2 of the sausage, egg with cheese biscuits.
Give us the thumbs up. Man, that's the homeless dishwasher, all right. Too bad I ain't got my phone on me. I'll bump some of the tunes, man.
With 2 hash browns.
Okay.
And then a large Dr. Pepper, no ice.
Okay.
And then that was it, ma'am.
Okay.
Oh, he's talking to him. They chatting it up. Oh, he's got his free food. Can't believe this guy, man. He must be out his mind. He ain't supposed to walk through the damn line like that. Man, this dude walking up to that's him, waited in line like everybody else.
Yeah, I'm so sorry.
You had that the soup sauce egg McMuffin?
Yes.
Okay. And 2 hash browns?
Appreciate it.
There's the homeless dishwasher getting his food. Getting his food.